Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about head wraps and how to use them, how to style them, or how I use them and how I style them. So if you're interested in some head wrap styles like this one, please stay tuned, like this video if you like this video, and subscribe if you haven't already. All right, let's get to it. Let's just jump right on into it. For me, I always like to moisturize my hair before I, wear a head wrap or go about my business, especially if I'm wearing a head wrap. Now, I don't moisturize every day just as needed, but if I'm wearing a head wrap, I definitely do. So I'm just going to start with some rose water. And then for extra, to seal that in, I'm going to use some coconut oil. Wraps. You can get them from a myriad of places. I have two mains that I wear, and then I have some smaller scarf type ones, but these were actually called head wraps. I forget how long they are, but you can see this one, and this one is very similar in size to it. You can also just get your own fabric and cut those up into wraps. Before I take this one all the way down, I'm going to throw this in here because it's current for what's going on. Before we had masks to wear, we have some now, but before we did, this is how I wore a mask. And now that we do have mask here, I wear a mask under and then I use this over. But this is how I did it. You can either put your mask on now and then do the wrap over it, and then do the wrap over it, or you can use this for your mask. Okay, my next one is going to be a bow on top. I really went through a big bow stage where I loved bows, so I wore this one a lot. Not since I had my locks, but before I had my locks, I wore this one all the time. Okay, for this one, I'm going to do a bun in the back, so I want to kind of smooth my hair down in the front. Obviously, this will depend on what length, what type of hair you have going on, but I'm just going to kind of smooth myself so I can put this on for a bun. All right, you guys, that is it for today. Let me know down below which was your favorite look, or did you not like any of them? Did you like all of them? Or if you have any questions, and I will see you next time. Bye.